Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cultivate lion's mane mushroom, easy method. Begin by assembling clean hardwood sawdust, spawn, a pressure canner or pasteurization gear, and a sterile work surface. Sterilize bags or jars, cool them, then mix spawn at a 5 to 10% ratio into your substrate. Incubate in darkness until fully colonized, then initiate fruiting with fresh air and humidity control to trigger mushrooms. After sterilization and cooling, work quickly in a clean area to reduce contamination. Wear gloves and a mask, and open bags only when needed. Break up colonized grain spawn and fold it gently into the substrate to achieve even distribution. Seal bags with breathable filters or microporous tape, label them with dates, and place them in a warm, dark spot for mycelial colonization to progress steadily. Once the block is fully colonized, cut slits or remove the lid to expose the surface to fresh air and light. Keep humidity high with misting or a humidifier and ensure gentle air changes to prevent CO2 buildup. Monitor for contamination and trim any off-colored patches. Pins should form in a few days, and mushrooms will mature quickly, so check often and harvest by twisting gently at the base when spines are white and prominent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.